In order to quickly show you how well this works, we have 3 types of floors, a rather plush rug there. This represents your front entry mat, so just really flat rugs and bare floors. And here we have pink sand. We're going to have some on each. I will use the machine only in its first suction setting, so no boost. Let's see how we do first on bare floors. Yep, so one of the things you'll notice is we have edge-to-edge cleaning there. So that's good for around the corners. One thing you will notice, the head is smart. Once it gets onto a rug or a carpeted area, it realizes that, it measures the resistance and starts spinning faster. You can even hear it. Let's see how we do on this. You can lift up the rug very easily. Okay? All right, let's get on to the wonderful. Very easy. And look at the lines on the carpet. We like this. You will not have an issue with the power and the suction on the Duoflex Total Care. Well, let's find out how well we can use it around and under obstacles. So we'll have something there. We'll have something on that little chair. It is a very maneuverable machine. So the way they've done this is that that neck is really flexible. It will lay flat. It's very easy, very easy. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Right here. Okay, you won't have an issue there. Now, I'm going to use this on that upholstery. Yeah, very nice. So if you have carpeted stairs or pet hair to deal with, carpeted stairs, runners, pet hair, and also in a car, that is really nice and easy to use.